A new dawn for industry. From solar roofs to water treatment, every element of this complex works in synchronized efficiency.
Confirm shipment for Bay 3.
Copy that. Rerouting textiles to staging area 4 now.
Inbound polymer truck arriving at gate.
Weight confirmed on the biopolymer shipment.
Moving the next pallet over now.
The dryer temperature is fluctuating slightly.
Rerouting power now. We are back within optimal parameters.
The vacuum degassing chamber ensures all trapped air is removed. The automated cycle then sends the deaerated resin smoothly toward the coating line.
Batch 7B is ready for release.
Confirmed.
Opening the main valve now.
Pressure is steady at 50 psi.
Confirmed. Line is balanced.
At the leveling station, the precision doctor blade ensures the resin coating is applied to the exact thickness, a critical step for the high-end finish quality.
Alignment looks good on this side. Tension is stable, keep it moving.
Check zone 3. The temperature is spiking again.
Yeah, adjusting the intake now. Check the alignment on the edge there.
Looks perfect. The bond is holding strong. This panel matches the 405 standard.
Good saturation, we can approve the run.
The semi-gloss is drifting slightly.
Dial back the pressure on roller 3.
Comparing the sample now, it looks within tolerance.
Sample 4B passed the 50,000 cycle mark with minimal degradation.
Noted. Loading the next batch now. The color fastness on the red swatch is excellent.
Agreed. Stain resistance is also holding up perfectly under the neutral light. We can approve this formulation.
Ready for the switch? Go ahead, pulling the empty now.
The jacket sections are optimized and ready to be released to the floor.
Perfect. Send them down. The cutters are synchronized and waiting.
Specialized machines thin the edges of the faux leather, creating a perfect taper for the seams.
We need more of the gray microfiber on table 3.
Coming right up. Is the burgundy ready for sewing?
Almost done stacking it here.
The assembly line operates in perfect synchronization. The leather is precisely skived and
system flagged a seam issue on the red tote.
Confirmed. Divert that one to manual review.
Pallet 34B is clear for staging.
Confirmed. Sending the tugger now.
Pallet count matches the manifest.
Seal it up. You are cleared for departure.
We need to make sure the spacing is exact for the premium look.
Understood. I'll double check the alignment on these wallets. This satchel is one of our newest arrivals. The texture is incredibly realistic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Are the straps adjustable?
Yes, they are. Here is your purchase. Thank you for visiting.
Thank you. Goodbye.